It's really hard to know where to start to support your staff, particularly if you're simply trying to survive as an organisation. But really, it is now the time to be proactive. And the good news is that you don't need a big budget. So I'm going to share with you my 5 top tips to support your staff's mental health and well-being. Firstly, it's important to increase confidence in uncertain times. As leaders, you're not going to have all the answers and you're not going to be able to take away all the uncertainty. But it's a really powerful message if you can say to your staff, I don't know what's around the corner, but whatever it is, we'll work through it together. The second tip I would give is about creating a culture of psychological safety. Now, what that means is creating an environment where people feel able to share their concerns, to talk about their ideas. They feel able to also share if they're suffering with their mental health without fear of judgment. As leaders, you can role model this. It's actually important to show your vulnerability, to show that you don't have all the answers, to show that actually there are times where your own resilience has been tested. Now, it goes without saying that if we're asking you to have an open culture, that it's important to give your line managers confidence to support their staff. Now, this can be as basic as simple line management skills, being able to ask staff how they're doing, be able to truly listen and to address any concerns that they have, right through to being able to spot the signs when somebody is struggling with their mental health and to be able to know where to signpost for support. My 4th tip is to ensure good two-way communications. So being able to find out how your staff are doing through one-to-ones, through team meetings, or even staff surveys is important to understand what the stresses are, to find out what support they need. And then being able to communicate how you're going to address these stressors and how you're going to support your staff is really important. And my final tip is to learn what's worked well during this time to support staff's health and well-being. How have staff rallied together and supported one another? How are new flexible working practices working to support staff's well-being and to really truly capitalise on this? Now, here at Acas, we have a lot of guidance and support, whether you're an organisation, whether you're a line manager, whether you're a staff member. So please do go to our website to look for more inspiration and ideas.